Gideon, what happened?
Hey, I think my laundry swallowed me a little bit.
You think maybe it's time to do some laundry?
Yeah, can you do it for me?
I think it's time you learned how to do your own laundry, mister.
Hey, Mom. How do I do my laundry?
Welcome to Doing Life Deliberately. My name is Trisha and this is Gideon. And on this channel, we talk everything homeschool and teaching your kids life skills. Today we are tackling the dirty job of laundry. And Gideon and I are down here in our scary dungeon of a basement. And we're going to just tackle the ins and outs of laundry. Now, if you have never done laundry before, there's just a few easy steps to go through. And first, we're going to start with sorting laundry. So the first thing that you want to do when you do your laundry is you want to sort your laundry into whites, lights, and darks. And that is so that you don't have your laundry combined to say like whites and darks, which would be like reds, blacks, deep browns, navy blues, like those sorts of colors. Because if you wash those all together, what's gonna happen, Gideon?
They're gonna mix together, and then your white clothes are gonna be kind of like a candle brown, ugly kind of color, and no one likes that.
They're gonna come out discolored. If you wash red and white together, you can end up with pink t-shirts or pink socks. And nobody wants that, right? You want your whites to stay white and your darks to stay dark. So, but for now, we're just gonna toss in these dirty clothes and then we'll add our laundry detergent. So go right ahead, Gideon. Gideon's gonna go ahead and fill the soap up into like number 2 or number 3. You really don't need to overdo it with the soap. And now we need to make our selections. You need to tell the washing machine how long or what type of load you're going to do. So Gideon's going to turn that dial all the way to heavy. You just want to give it an extra good clean. Then we're going to go to the load size and we're going to tell it that it is extra large. So take that button all the way to the reset on the right and then back to the left to extra large. And then because we are doing darks, we want to use cold water because that prevents the laundry from bleeding. So we're going to turn that temperature dial to cold. And then on our machine, we pull that knob toward us and it will start the water. And you, son, just started a load of laundry.
Moi?
You did it!
Oh, stop it.
All right, so the next step is we want to move stuff over from the washer to the dryer. Now, before you use the dryer, you always want to make sure and clean out the lint trap. It's going to be in different places on different dryers. Ours happens to be right down here. Sometimes they're actually in the door, but you just want to empty this out. If this builds up too much, it can pose a fire hazard. So it's really important before every load that you get that cleaned out and throw the lint away. So Gideon's got that cleaned out. We're going to put it back in here, and then we can start taking things from the washing machine to the dryer. Ready for this? Okay, so after you get things loaded into the dryer, the next step is you want to put either dryer sheets or dryer balls into the dryer. This helps keep things moving around so that they dry evenly. Or if you want to use dryer sheets, you can use just a couple of these. I just usually stick into, and this helps prevent static electricity. And so you just throw those in there. I'm gonna also throw the dryer balls in there. Close the door. And now we're going to set the time on the dryer. So I'm gonna give you a little pro tip, and the pro tip is when you take things out of the dryer, fold them right away. And here's why. If you take things out of the dryer and fold them right away, then you won't have as many wrinkles, and less wrinkles means no need to iron. So I always try to fold clothes as soon as I can when they're done in the dryer and get them folded right away before putting them in any baskets or anything like that, because I hate ironing. And I want to look put together when I go out and about. So I don't want wrinkles all over the place. So Gideon, fold clothes. Just kidding. We're going to do it together. Here we go. So Gideon, do you feel like you know how to do your laundry now?
Yeah, I'd say so. This has been a very educational video. I definitely share it, you know.
Ooh, you mean like share it with friends?
I think so. I think it would help out their children.
Would you like this video?
I really liked it. Would you even maybe hit subscribe and turn on your notifications so you could watch more?
Ooh, what an idea! Thank you so much for joining us today. We really do hope that you found this to be helpful and that you will want to share it with others if you did. And we hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let us know what homeschool and life skill topics you want to hear more about in the description box below. Also, if you or someone you know is considering homeschool, new to homeschool, or just needing a little extra support, let me put my 12 years of homeschooling experience to work for you. You can sign up for your free 15-minute consultation by clicking the link in the description box below. I look forward to hearing from you real soon.